Hello, you want to see how I shape this egg muffin? Keep watching. These are all my ingredients. I'll break my egg, sprinkle some salt, white pepper, garlic, whisk together. I'll wash my pan with butter. I'll add in the carrots, the ham, the tomato, the yellow pepper, bell pepper, onion, and I'll pour in my eggs. I'll top it up with spring onion. I will preheat my microwave and I will bake it for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is the outcome of our egg muffin. Super yummy and super delicious. Thank you for watching.